रूप से हमारी महाराष्ट्र जनसत्ता में स्वागत करता हूँ। आज देखिए मैं IMC का एक खास तरह हमारे साथ मानसी सिलर मैडम है।
आई डोंट थिंक मैं एक पर्टिकुलर नाम ले पाऊँगी, लेकिन अच्छा लगता है जब जैसे मैंने कहा जब लोगों के पास आइडियाज़ होते हैं और वो किस तरह से उन आइडियाज़ को पॉसिबिलिटी में बदलते हैं, वो जर्नी देखने में काफ़ी आपको इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है और एक तरह से एक एग्जाम्पल सेट होता है। और मैं तो कहूँगी एक्टर होना ही एक बिजनेस की तरह ही है। आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर ही हैं जो आप एक चाहे आप अपना एक सेलिंग अ परसेप्शन ऑफ योर सेल्फ, तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप तो हम सब में है कहीं ना कहीं है। मीडिया में भी देयर इज सो मच ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो यू हैव टू कम अप विद न्यू आइडियाज़, यू हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव। सो दैट्स एक स्पिरिट है जो आई थिंक सभी में है। तो मैं सिर्फ ये नहीं कहूँगी कि आजकल ही एक्टर्स कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक एक्टिंग एज अ प्रोफेशन इन्वॉल्व्स अ लॉट ऑफ business activity.
Can you tell us what we can expect in this exhibition that's new this year? 38 years.
Yes. For our 38th year, we've planned a lot of special things. So one of the things we're all very passionate about, this year we've taken sustainability very seriously. So everything that you'll see in terms of the decor, we've used sustainable alternatives which are plastic free. We're powering the whole event with green energy. We're also composting all the wet waste from the event, so less of that ends up in the landfill. And all the plastic bottles that are used and disposed of will also be recycled. So we're trying to be as green as possible and reduce our carbon footprint this year. So we want everyone to shop but also be conscious at the same time about the planet.
And Raja ma'am, anything else, any message for the entrepreneurs this year?
They should not fear doing any business, whether it's social work or business. Scale it, evolve and excel.
When you see last one, there are 231 women here. What will you say to them as a message of inspiration for all the women and the IMC that has put this together?
Well, I'd say that firstly, congratulations everyone on such a wonderful display of your ideas. And I'd only say that be fearless, support each other, and always keep setting examples.
Manushi, one last thing. What made you say yes to IMC this year? What made you say yes to this?
The whole idea behind an event like this, I believe that women have ambition, women have talent, and they also want to do things in life. But what's great is to see platforms that allow women to, be able to chase that ambition. And this is such a platform. And I'd say that today, if there's anything that I could do in my life, it's because I got the right platforms at the right time. So I always want to be a part of events or initiatives where these platforms are given to women.
Thank you.
So I wrote one this morning. Firstly, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. It is such a joy to be here today, surrounded by so much energy, talent, and ambition. Firstly, thank you to the IMC Ladies Wing for inviting me. This is not just an exhibition, it's a celebration of women who dare to dream and then work relentlessly towards making that dream come true. I've learned something in my own journey, from being a student in medicine to Miss World to an actor and to every single dream that I wish to fulfill in life. The path is never straight. That's something I believe all of us will relate to. There are twists, turns, and moments when you have to create your own map. And that's what makes this journey beautiful. And that's exactly what entrepreneurs do every day. And that's what inspires me to do the same too. What I love most about women entrepreneurs is that they build with more than just numbers in mind. They build with empathy, with purpose, with heart, and most importantly, set an example for young girls such as me to dream big and believe in the possibility of those dreams coming true. Every stall here has a story, a story of someone who believed in herself, who said, I can do this, and then did it. So I guess here's my message to you all. Value your uniqueness, support each other fearlessly, and never underestimate the power of small ideas. Because small ideas create ripples, and those ripples create a big wave. Today you're not just showcasing your products, you're showcasing possibility. Congratulations to each and every one of you, And thank you to the IMC Ladies Wing for having me here and making me a part of the celebration. Thank
सर एक मिनट साइड हो जाओ